how to make a home decor and interior design website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own website for free using squarespace.com platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button, and we wait for the website to load. Then we can see a wide range of templates that we can choose from to build our website. So we can choose from the pre-made templates that we can just add some adjustments and change some headers and footers and some buttons, and then we will have our website ready for going public. Or we can just go for the blank template where we can create our website from scratch. So let's skip this area. Let's just click on I'm just browsing, and here as you can see we have a wide range of templates, and here we can filter the templates by the type or also the topic. So we can filter if our website is an online store or a portfolio or a scheduling or a services page, and we can also filter by topic if our website is for templates or art and design, photography, fashion, travel, or home and decor. So let's go with home and decor as a filter, and let's see what do we have in the templates. So here we have a lot of templates that are about the home and decor, and this is the blank template that I told you about that you can work with if you want to build your template or your website from scratch. And you can just browse to see more templates. This about furniture, also this one about modern vintage retro home decor, another one, also another one. So let's just go up and let's see what else we have, and so another one. So I'm going with this one I saw before, and this is the one I'm going with. So you can just click on preview grandeur, which is the name of the template, and then click on view demo site to see the website in full width. So here we will be able to see our website in full width and to decide if we are going to continue with this template or not. So I think I'm going to continue with this template. It needs just a little bit of adjustments and changing the products, and our template will be ready for using. So let's just close this tab and let's click on start with this design. If you encounter this message, you just click on OK, and you click again start with this design, and then you wait for them to set things up for you. After that they will request to give a title for your website, so you can just type in the title that you have in your niche, which is for me home decor and interior design, or you can just skip that step. But for me I'm going to type my title anyway because I want to organize my work. You can create multiple websites with this platform, so I want every website to stand out for me and I don't want to get mixed between them. So I'm just going to type in my niche's name, so just wait for it to load, and then you can type in your niche's name and then you hit continue. After that you close these tabs, we don't need them anymore, and in your left you can see 8 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain them for you, except the head one, which is pretty obvious. We don't even need to explain it. So I'm going to start with website. It's where you can create pages or adjust the pages that you already have or delete the ones that you already have. And the second section is commerce, where you can add products or manage your orders, inventory. As you can see, orders, inventory, customers. You can also create your discounts. You can set the ways that you want to get paid, if you want to get paid, or if you want to sell subscriptions, or if you want to publish the product and start selling. Let's go back and let's head to the third section, which is marketing. It's pretty obvious where you can set up your pixels, adjust your email campaigns, your SEO appearance, and basically everything that will help you grow your audience or grow your customers. Let's go back and let's check the fourth section, which is scheduling, and basically it's for the people that want to book meetings or appointments. So it's basically for the businesses like lawyers or psychiatrists, or the people that offers services or consulting. So you can just wait for things to set up. So it may take some seconds. This section sometimes becomes laggy, but it's okay. You can just close this tab and it will show up again. After closing, this one will disappear and it will show up again. As I said before, it's pretty laggy sometimes, but that's okay. So here it is. You can create your appointment types in here. You can choose your availability time. You can design your scheduling page, and when you're done, you can just click on share your scheduling page to put it to be public, not private. So let's go back and let's check the fifth section, which is the asset library, where you can upload your pictures, your files, your images to use them after you're going to the design of your website. And here we have analytics, where you can see your dashboard, your conversion rate, your sales, traffic, geography, and your revenue, units sold, conversion rate, orders. So you can pretty much see your own data in here. So as you can see, our data is not available because we just created this website. You can also go to the sixth section, which is profiles. So you can check the profiles also. It's where you can see the profiles of your clients or your audience. So here you can manage the profiles of your audience, your subscribers, leads, customers, first-time customers, repeat customers, and so on. You can also turn your site traffic into subscribers and a lot more. And the last section is settings, where you can adjust your domains or your Google workspace. You can also change the site's availability from private to public. You can also change the site languages, and you can also change the store payments. You can add your payments and so on. Let's go back to home, and in the edit button you can just click on it, so you can adjust the design of your website. You can change this template. You can change the design of the template, change the text, pictures, header, and footer also. So you can change pretty much everything. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.